To remove and put the sash back in the shoe of your double hung wonder window, follow these steps. Start by unlocking and raising the window. Release the tilt latches and tilt the sash in 90 degrees so it's horizontal to the floor. Then take the sash out by lifting firmly on the high side. If you're watching this because your sash already came out, this can happen for a few reasons. When the sash pops out, it can cause the shoe to not be even. If the shoe is not even, follow these steps. You'll need a flathead screwdriver to unlock the shoe. With downward pressure, put the screwdriver in the U-shaped piece of the shoe. Make sure you're putting downward pressure, otherwise the shoe will fly up and can crack the frame. Turn the U piece to unlock the shoe. Now you can move the shoe up to where you want it. Turn the U-shaped piece back to the original position and make sure it's level with the other side. With the sash level, put it back in the window frame and make sure the pivot pins go into either U-shaped piece. Test the sash goes up and down smoothly. Now you can close and lock the window. Thanks again for choosing Wonder Windows.